you like a diamond. Everything is love with
Guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into a Nova Beauty tutorial. So I look so pretty, y'all. I look so classy, and this outfit is actually from Fashion Nova, okay? But we're talking about Nova Beauty. So I got on that Fashion Nova outfit and a Nova Beauty makeup. However, this look came out so pretty. It went right with the look, the outfit. Like, I just wanted to be like really glowy. Not really glowy. I just wanted to be really like soft is what I meant to say. And I ate this look, y'all. So cute. Let me show y'all the outfit. It's a romper set, y'all. Oh my god. And this right here is snatching my waist. Y'all know how to gain some weight, but right there is snatching my waist. And oh my god. I have on some cocoa musk. I think that's how you say it. I want y'all to get right into this look. Y'all are gonna love this look. And if y'all haven't put anything in y'all cart, y'all need to go do so right now, because what are y'all waiting on? Y'all need to shop Nova Beauty. They got everything you need, and especially if you're a soft girl, Nova Beauty definitely has it down when it comes to giving a soft girl vibe. Okay, so go ahead and check them out. I will leave their link in the description right below, but I know y'all want to see this video, so please keep on watching. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to another Nova Beauty video. Okay, your girl, it's Nova Beauty down. Okay, so first off, let's do these brows. We're going to get into the brows, and we are going to use a Nova Beauty brow pencil. However, I'm going to speed the brow process up because y'all see me do my brows so many times, and who wants to keep looking at the same brow tutorial? Okay, I have a tutorial on my page already. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lay these brows down. I'm going to get right into applying the brow pencil. All right, y'all. So right here, I'm applying my brow gel, and I am just basically molding down my brows, y'all. I always start this process before I start my brows, before I do anything. This is just to secure a all day brow. After I let the brow gel dry, I'll go ahead and add powder. That is to keep them matte all day too. I just opened up a new pack of the brow products, y'all, in the shade black and brown, y'all. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and take black towards the end and brown towards the front. Let's go ahead and get into these brows. Creamy. This brow pencil is super creamy, y'all. However, there is a brow tutorial up of my detail eyebrow tutorial. I'm just gonna show y'all something quick, a little razzle dazzle with Nova Beauty slimline brow pencils. And let me tell y'all, they are serving. Okay, serve. So I did this side off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take brown next. These brow pencils are very creamy, so go ahead and add these to your cart if you haven't done so already. What are you waiting on? Oh, both brows are done. We're gonna go ahead and conceal these brows, but I'm gonna go ahead and conceal off camera just for the sake of this video. However, I just want you to see the slimline brow pencil in effect for itself. These are black and brown, the shades, and yeah, y'all, 8. I don't even have to put concealer in my brows. I want to do that because we want to make them a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna be back when it's time to do the eyes. Do y'all see the brows? Do y'all see the brows? Like, literally 8. Okay, literally 8. I'm gonna have to come down on top of my brow right here a little bit, only because my brow hairs would go up more, but I wanted it to go down, so it is a little bit of hair peeking out, but it's okay. A little foundation is gonna cover that up, okay, right away. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my base, let it dry, and then I'm going to blend it out. So the base is on. I literally have this outfit. It's like a champagne color. It's so pretty, y'all. It is so pretty. So I want to keep the transition neutral. I don't know. I'm so sorry, y'all, if y'all keep like, why you keep doing brown? Like, I want to see some color. Give me some color. I want to give y'all color, but like on my weekends, like Saturdays, I be want to go outside. So I just like to do like natural looks. Also with Nova Beauty, I feel like they are a very like natural brand, neutral brand. I'm not gonna say natural, but neutral brand. They have loads of colors of lipstick. However, I like to keep it neutral, especially with them as well. I will be doing color soon. However, we are going to play with their shimmers because I want shimmer on the lid and a beautiful like wing liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and gather up some browns, and we're gonna go ahead and do this transition. Everything is blended in. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Nova Beauty palette, y'all. This is the Smoky palette, and I'm gonna go ahead with this color right here. It is called Luxe. This is my favorite. This is my favorite color. I know the mirror is dirty, but I'm gonna go ahead with this color right here. It's called Luxe, and I am going to put this on my lid. However, I'm gonna open up the lid space because it's really no lid there. It's like covered in like chocolate. So let's open this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my lid. So this is a beautiful shade. I'm gonna go ahead and take a brush and start to blend this upward. I'm gonna go ahead and start blending this up. I'm gonna add a little black, so I'm gonna go ahead and add black shadow. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Nova Beauty palette, and I'm gonna take that black color right there. I'm about to do a line straight across. I don't want to do anything else but a line. So I am done with my eyes, but let's get into it. Nova Beauty has lashes, okay? These are new on my channel. I was debating because I was like, these lashes are small. Like, I don't know if I could do anything with these. By looking at them, y'all should already know which ones that I'm going for. And baby, it's gonna be these, okay? These are in the style 60, so I'm gonna put 60 on brand new right out the package, okay? These lashes are super cute. They are small, y'all know. And I know it's gonna like these over the other ones. The other ones you wear just like with no makeup, I feel like. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do my face. I love this cream. And we're gonna go ahead and put this on. I love this stuff. Let that dry. I did go ahead and put some pore primer on, y'all, but I like to go ahead and I like to set that area. Yeah. Only right there. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this foundation. Normally do my Nova Beauty tutorials, I do not include the face because they really don't have any face products like that. So I'm going to just tell y'all exactly what I'm doing and not explain what I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and use this foundation. I love this foundation. Look at it. I don't even have to say much. So I went ahead and applied my foundation all over my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer. I like to take a shade, 2 shades or 3 shades that's lighter than me, a shade that is 1 shade lighter than me, and then I like to blend them all together. I just love a bright highlight. Sometimes people be like, oh, that's too bright, that's not for you, but I like a bright highlight, so don't come up here and tell me what to do, period. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with a just a flat brush, and then I'm also going to go ahead and take my foundation brush. Always go back over your work and make sure everything is blended. You definitely want to make sure everything is seamless before you start setting your face with those powders. So as I blend this away, y'all, that foundation brush is going to come in, and y'all see already the edges need to be blended, and that's what I'm doing as we blend away, child, because baby, you gotta blend. I'm gonna go ahead also and take my beauty blender to basically just soak up some of that product, because sometimes it could be just too much. So now I went ahead and added my powder in all the highlighted areas, well, concealed areas. I did go ahead before the powder and added my cream contour to my face. I love a good cream contour, y'all. Yes. I'm powdering my nose, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this loose powder. I want a darker shade because I feel like if I do a darker shade, it's gonna give me very much warmth, cocoa bronze, you know what I'm saying, and not so, some powders they say translucent, so okay. So I went ahead and bronzed my face, and then I also deep bronzed, if you get what I'm saying, so 2 bronzers, and then I went ahead and bronzed my nose. Ooh, I love a good chiseled nose, baby. I'm gonna do a tutorial one day without the contoured nose and see how that looks. Set my translucent powder on each side, and y'all also down the bridge of my nose, because baby, we gotta bake that nose so that it can be snatched. I'm gonna go ahead with my blush, and I'm gonna go ahead and start talking again. I want this look to be simple, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just put some black under the eye and mascara, and that's about it. I went ahead and took the color ASAP from Nova Beauty, and I put that right in my waterline, y'all. I really don't want, I just want the eyes to just be there, giving pretty vibes, okay? I just want to go in with that, and I want to go ahead and put some mascara under my eyes, and then we're going to do the lips. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and just use a lipstick and a gloss. For liner, I'm just going to use something that I have already. I'm going to go ahead and take Nova Beauty lipstick in the shade Tone. This is a very beautiful nude lipstick, y'all, and I love it. Okay, so we're going to apply this, y'all. This is Tone, y'all. It's giving very much nude, okay? We love a good nude lipstick. Like what? Last but not least, we're going to add our Nova Beauty a lip gloss in the shade Thicc. Y'all, it's a clear gloss. Only gonna add it to the brown parts of the lip. Get me a fresh one. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe everything off, and I'm gonna come back with the final touches. So I had to come back because I want to put this powder in here. It's very important. After you dust off your baking powder, you're going to go ahead and get a foundation powder and you're going to set under the eye. This is so we won't have no flashback, y'all. I went ahead and also put some highlight down the bridge of my nose because it's so cute. I went ahead and touched it up with some bronzer, and y'all, it is literally the cutest button nose ever. I went ahead and added moles as my final touches, and this look 8. This is the look, y'all. It's so pretty. I love it. It's really pretty. It's like, give me a glass of wine right now, period. I'm about to go change and I'm gonna come right back for the outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I really hope that y'all enjoyed. I will leave Nova Beauty link down in the description right below, and as well as the products that I used. But y'all, I ate this look. It's giving very much. Hand me my wine, please. I love this look. It is so cute and classy. Okay, this is what I mean by I want to give soft girl. I want to give soft girl vibe, soft girl era. I want to get into my femininity, if that's how you say it. I just want to be really classy. Like, these are so beautiful. Like, these looks are so beautiful. I'm going to switch it up too and add color to some of these looks, like give y'all a softer vibe up with a pop of color, like stuff like that. But I love this. It is so pretty. And baby, I ate down. Don't forget to comment down below if y'all like this look, if y'all like these type of looks and y'all want me to keep doing these type of looks. Comment down below. But until then, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.